Hello students, welcome to the digital online teaching learning program Pragyata. Today we are going to learn the lesson Ali made impossible possible of class 8th English book. Let us watch the picture. It's a picture of a courtroom. A courtroom means the place or room in which a court of law meets. In this picture, you are seeing a judge. A judge means a person who decides cases in a law court. You can now see the police. Police means a person who investigates crime and maintains law and order. You can now see a thief. A thief means a person who steals properties of other persons. You can see the picture of a witness. A witness means a person sees an event, typically a crime or accident take place. Now you can also see the picture of a lawyer. The lawyer means a person who practices the law. In this picture, a trial of a thief is going on. Once a thief caught while stealing a purse, he was handed over to the police. Then the police sent him to the jail. The day came when the thief had to be tried in the court. On that day, the man whose purse was stolen hired a lawyer and 3 witnesses. On the day of trial, only 2 witnesses were present. At the time of trial, the judge asked, when was the theft made? Was it day or night? The first witness replied, it was day, my lord. Then he asked, how many persons were there at the time of theft? The witness replied, 5, your honor. The judge's third question was, what is the color of that stolen purse? The witness replied, black, your honor. Then the second witness was called to the witness box. Next, the second witness was called to the witness box. The judge asked him, when was the theft made? Was it day or night? The second witness replied, it was night, your honor. The judge next asked, how many persons were there at the time of the theft? The witness replied, 25, my lord. The judge finally asked the last question, what was the color of the purse? The witness replied, white, your honor. The trial was postponed for the next day, but the lawyer was terribly upset. He scolded the witnesses for giving contradictory facts, but each of the witnesses told that he had told the truth. The case is lost. There is no hope of saving the case. No need for sending a third witness, grumbled the angry lawyer. So now students, Can you guess whether it is possible to win the case or not? Yes, it is. It seems impossible to win the case. Ali, the lawyer's cook, was listening to all this. He said, "Take me as the third witness. I can save the case." The lawyer agreed, and the next day Ali was called for the witness box. The judge asked, "When was the theft made? Was it day or night?" Ali replied, "You may call it a day, Your Honor. You may also call it a night." How? The judge asked. "When the theft was committed, there was light, my lord, but slowly it became dark. It was the meeting time of day and night, Your Honor." The judge seemed to nod his head in agreement and asked the next question. How many persons were there at the time of the theft? Ali said, "Sir, you can say 5 or 25, Your Honor." When the judge asked how, Ali said, "When the theft was committed, there were only 5 persons, but slowly the number increased to 25. The judge seemed to nod his head in agreement. The third question on the judge asked, "What was the color of the purse?" Ali said, "You can call it black and you can also call it white, my lord." When the judge asked how, Ali showed purse which was white inside and black outside. The judge smiled, an unusual smile, and nodded his head in full agreement. So, students, this is how Ali made impossible possible. So, students, this was the first lesson of our class. We hope you have learned from this session, and I think we will meet tomorrow again. Thank you.